everyone, this is Aurora of Dawn to Dust Designs, and we are gonna glamorize this football for the Super Bowl. You guys know me, I love glitter and sparkly things, so of course I thought, why not? So to do that, I'm gonna be using this glitter. It's kind of a bronzy color. It's the closest thing I was able to find at Michael's that's close to brown, because they didn't have any. So I'm gonna mix it with this one. I'm also gonna use black for the letters, and we're gonna use this white glitter as well. We're gonna use tacky glue for the glitter, a tray to put the glue on top. We're gonna need a paintbrush and a small makeup brush for the letters. Last but not least, we're gonna need a caking tee to place the football on top, and we're gonna glamorize that with metallic spray paint. So, if you want to learn how to glamorize this football, then please keep on watching. So one good thing about this football is that it came with a tee, and it also came with a pump. I think, because I bought this one originally, and then the football came with that one. So personally, I like this one more. So I think I'm just going to return this one. So I'm not going to spray paint it anymore. I'm just going to stick with this one, since it's still also part of the Wilson brand. I'm sure you can see the W there. So let's see how that turned out. Okay. So we're going to mix it. We're trying to get a brown. It's like mixing paint. Oh, it looks nice. I don't know, how does that look? Is that pretty brown? Maybe. Let's see. This is so beautiful. How does that look? Looks really good. So here's the final reveal. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. I've actually had this idea for a while now, and I figured that this year was the year that I was gonna finally make this happen. And I really did put a lot of passion and love in making this. So I'm trying to show you guys all the details. Let me know if you guys like this in the comments down below. It'd be great to hear what's your favorite part about it. And if you have any suggestions on what I could have done differently, I'm open to hearing them, so let me know. I hope you guys enjoy the Super Bowl this year. Touchdown! Hey everyone, this is Aurora of Dawn to Dust Designs. If you are hosting a Super Bowl party, I strongly recommend that you embellish a football like so. I'm sure a lot of guys out there could care less about glitter, but if you have a girlfriend or a wife that does like the glitz and glam, then why not make her happy and let her do something like this that'll be fun for everyone's Super Bowl party ambiance. So I've had this idea in my mind for a few years now and wanted to do this for a while, and I decided this was the year that I was going to design this. So if you like this, remember to subscribe to my channel and follow me on all of my social media platforms. Let me know what's your favorite thing about it. Maybe you have some suggestions on something that you would do differently. And and remember, let the best team win and go have fun. Catch. And I had so much fun. I think the whole process of buying the things, and in my mind I had a vision, and the vision I had, I didn't know if it was going to work out or not with the type of things I use, such as the glue, the type of glitter, and coming to find out that the glitter I originally wanted wasn't available, so I had to really improvise. And I think sometimes when you have something in mind that you have planned and it doesn't work out, you end up finding out that whatever it is you do use to improvise ends up being the better plan or the better outcome. And I really think that's what happened with me in creating this. So I've never seen anything like this in my life, and only in my mind, and I'm so happy to finally see this come to life. And I think this is a perfect piece to have a focal point for your Super Bowl decorations, especially if you're that type of person that loves to host Super Bowl parties for your family members or friends.